If you are a proficient Mac user, you might already know that you can convert image formats on Mac with the Quick Action tool. It's a simple process that takes only a couple of clicks. But did you know that you can automate this and have your Mac do this task for you? In this guide, I will show you how to turn any folder on your Mac into a powerful image converter. Your Mac has an Automator app that lets you create simple to complex automation. We will use the same app for this guide. You can launch the Automator app from the Applications folder or use the Spotlight search, which I am going to do. An Automator window will open. Click the New Document button to create a new Automator document. Select the Folder Action option and click the Choose button to proceed. Here, click on the Choose Folder drop-down menu and select the other option. Select the folder you want to act as your image converter. I will choose the desktop folder as it's the place where all my images go before I upload or share them. But you can choose any folder or create a new one if you want. Now, use the sidebar search field to find the Change Types of Images action and drag and drop it into the workflow area. You will see a dialog prompt. Click the Add button to preserve the original image and the converted images. If you only want the converted images, choose the Don't Add option. Now, use the drop-down menu next to Type and set your image format. I will choose JPEG, but you can select any available format you want. The last step is to save our workflow. Go to the File menu and click the Save button. Alternatively, use the Command S keyboard shortcut. Give it a proper name. I will name it to Image Converter. And finally, click the Save button to save it. And that's it. Now, whenever you drop an image into your selected folder, it will automatically convert it into JPEG format. Here, I have a few images in different formats including PNG, TIFF, HEIC and WebP. Let's drag it to our desktop and see if it works. As you noticed, the Automator workflow ran in the background and converted all my images into JPEG format without me having to do anything. How cool is that? If you found this guide exciting and useful, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. I have a couple of really cool videos planned for the next few weeks, so make sure you don't miss out. Meanwhile, click here to learn how to scan documents on your iPhone for free. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.